Welcome. Today I am with the Redmi Note 12 and I'm gonna show you few the best camera tips and tricks on this device. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look for the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. When you click volume up or down, we will take photo with the 2 seconds delay. You can also adjust function of these buttons by going to the settings. You just have to scroll down and I'm gonna decrease the brightness a little bit. Okay, and as you can see here, we can set them to the shutter without the delay and zoom feature. Next, we can also quickly adjust brightness level manually by tapping on the screen and moving the sun icon up and down. To do this automatically, just click on the screen once. When you click in this place, you can also enable the voice shutter. So to activate, click, then tap outside, and we have to say cheese to take photo. Cheese. As you can see, it works really good. So let's turn it off right now. And there's also a very useful option when we go to the more modes. That's the 50 megapixel mode, and it allows us to take photos with the more details. I can also recommend you to get good lighting condition, and maybe we can also turn on the flashlight. So click to catch focus, tap, and for some reason the flashlight wasn't turned on. So let's try to take photo one more time. Okay, and let's see for the result. That's the photo, and that's the HD preview, and that's really good. That's really good details, especially when you take a look right here. Take a look how many pieces of the dust we can find right here on this button, and also right here. That's great. Okay, when we use the shutter button and the photo mode, when you click and hold it, we can take short video up to the 15 seconds. And when you go to the settings of the camera, we'll also find other useful options, like for example, we can switch in the customized settings shutter sound. Currently it's on the default, but you can go for the retro, film or modern. I'm not sure if you can hear it right now, so I'm gonna adjust the volume. And let's take photo right now. So that's the new sound. And when you click right here, we can also enable additional filters. They change color and the temperature on the photos. So that's all for the Redmi Note 12. My favorite tips for this camera. For you, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.